is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, we have another review for y'all, man. Very, very excited about this review. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. But before we get into it, man, I just want to say thank you really quick to each and every one of you subscribers, all 935 of you, man. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. Like I said, the goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. When we hit 1,000, there is going to be a giveaway. And then make sure that you go ahead, if you want to help support the channel, all you got to do is smash that like button, man. It takes half a second to do. Leave a comment, share the video, all of that stuff. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel, which can help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers. And last but not least, before we get into the shoot, make sure you go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you follow it, you would have seen these already up there. I posted them yesterday. I just didn't post, I didn't want to make this video yesterday because obviously the Jubilee 11 came out. That was the most important thing that happened yesterday. But today, I think it's a good time to give you guys this video. So without further ado, we have the box right here, regular Nike box, regular red Nike box. We've seen it a million times. Let's read the label. Okay, we have an Air Max 90 white University red. And those are the only two colors listed on here. There's obviously more colors listed on the shoe, but we have a white and University red, and these retail for $130, and this is a size 12, so it is a personal pair. Now let's open it up. Actually, let me do this in the camera so y'all can see it. We'll open it up right here. Boom. I've seen these already. This isn't the first time unboxing. I've already taken them out. Obviously, you saw the picture of them, and here they are. Both the shoes are the same, so I'm going to take out the right one so we can talk about it. And here it is, the Nike Air Max 90 Nordic, or the Air Max 90 Christmas. On YouTube, y'all can see it right here, man. This is a dope shoe to me, man. The little details on it are crazy. Let me take this whatever this thing is called in here, the little shoe tree stuffing, whatever, take that out so we could really get into detail on this sneaker, man. I absolutely love these. So you can see around the shoe, we got the Christmas vibes, obviously, with just on face value the green and the red, the green here, red on the swoosh, but it goes into a lot more detail. One of the biggest details of the shoe will start on the liner right here, the heel liner and the back of the tongue. Now, does this go? I think it goes, oh wow, it does go the whole tongue. So the full length of the tongue has this synthetic fur, and just around the heel has this synthetic fur. It doesn't go, I don't know if you guys can see it all the way through the shoe, but the tongue does go all the way down. Nothing special about the tag. And then on the insole, we get a Nike snow globe, which is pretty cool. Yeah, man, these are dope. So more into the details, the regular base material, we have a white synthetic leather, which is actually pretty soft. It's not that bad. It's better than, I did the review for the Lemonade Air Max ones not that long ago. This leather is definitely better than that leather. Same leather there too on the mud guard going around. And then we have more green on the little window right here, the Air Max window, which is pretty cool. Maybe that could have been red, but I think it looks pretty good with the aesthetic of the shoe being that little different shade of green right there. Now let's get to another one of the most striking aspects of the shoe, and that is the design pattern on the toe. So we got this snowflake ugly Christmas sweater design, and this material is actually really surprising. This material right here is, it's not gonna show on the camera, but I thought it would be similar to the Galaxy Air Max 90s that we got this year, where it's more like just some type of regular textile cloth material. But this feels like a sweater, like soft and plush, like it is an actual sweater. So that's pretty cool. That'll keep you warm. At its base, I mean, if this was a black sneaker with still this material, it's basically a winterized Air Max 1 that'll keep your feet warm, which is really, really dope. And then we get to the outsole here. We got a green outsole with the red hits around the pod right there. Green outsole, red, very Christmassy. White midsole, red on the midsole, and we do have the redded out air bubble, which is dope. Yo, this shoe is pretty nice. And then one more detail that I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't sure about how it was gonna look in hand, but that is the laces. So instead of regular flat laces here, we get like, it's basically a flat lace, and it looks like they did an extra stitch, I guess, through the middle of the lace. You guys can see that right there, the extra stitch. I think that's pretty cool. And then the tips of the laces are green. Now just wondering, I doubt it. Yeah, so both of them, the tips are green. It would have been cool if like one tip was green, one tip was red. But it is what it is. It's really dope. Got that same sweater feeling going all the way up the tongue with the fake fur on the inside of it. Yo, these are fire, y'all. I wish that Christmas was every day. I'll probably be wearing these a lot the next what's today? Today is the 13th. I'll probably be wearing these a lot the next 12 days until Christmas. These are really dope, super comfortable on foot with all of this in here. I forgot to get to the license plate on the back, one of the most iconic parts of the Air Max 90, and that is the license plate on the back. These are fire, YouTube. I absolutely love these. I knew I was gonna like them, but I wasn't too sure what it would be like in hand material wise. Another material that I just noticed, and it's something really small, but on the middle eyelet right there, we got a gold ring around it, which is pretty cool. Nice little touch. But like I was saying, man, I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about these when I got them in hand. I knew that I liked them aesthetically, but I just, you know what I'm saying, you're never 100% sure. So this is one of the shoes, and Nike does a really good job at this, but this is one of the shoes that is definitely way better in hand. I'm super excited to have them. They also released a Christmas blazer, and something's going on with the Christmas Air Max 1 High. My girlfriend actually was trying to get them. They were originally supposed to come out the same day as these, which was the 7th. Then they got pushed back to the 19th, and now they got pushed back to the 30th, which is after Christmas. So something's going on there. To me, this is the best shoe of the three. The blazer being the worst, the Air Force being the second, but these are absolutely fire. Let me know down below in the comments if you got these. Let me know what you think about them. Yeah, man, I'm happy to have a Christmas shoe in the collection. The last Christmas shoe I had was and I guess you could call it Christmas because technically you could wear this shoe all year round, but it was the Nike SB Dunk High, the red velvet one. And I sold it. I'm really mad I sold it. That's probably that and the orange box Dunk are probably the two shoes that I'm the most upset about that I sold. But definitely did sell them, so it is what it is. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, man. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe, man. It's Christmas season, the season of giving. You know what I mean? The gift that I would love to have for you guys is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and in return for that gift, I'll give you guys a giveaway. So once again, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you made it this far, you were definitely entertained. So go ahead and smash that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to YouTube or to the videos, which can help us get more subscribers. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, man. Polls, questions, stories. You would have seen these up there already. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.